Our last example for this section 6.2. As we always start off, we want to find our common denominator first. So let's just go ahead and factor each of these and then find out what that common denominator is. So if we look at m squared minus 6m plus 9, this actually, if you notice it, that is a binomial squared. That's a m minus 3 squared. Okay, or so that means you can look at it as m minus 3 times m minus 3. Okay, the second one right here, m squared plus m minus 12, that would be an m plus 4 and an m minus 3. Good, so these both have an m minus 3, but this one has two m minus 3s, which means that we need to give this one more. Okay, so now this one has two m minus 3s, this one has two m minus 3s, but this one has an m plus 4, which means this one now needs an m plus 4. Okay, so that would be our lowest common denominator. All right, great. So now that we have that, we're now ready to rock and roll. So this right here was m minus 3 times m minus 3, which meant that it still needs an m plus 4. So I'm going to multiply this one by top and bottom m plus 4. M plus 4 times m plus 4. Okay, let's see here. And then on this side, let's see here. This one was the m plus 4 times m minus 3, so that means it needs one more m minus 3. Cool. So let's just deal with the numerator, and then we'll put the denominator at the very end. So let's just multiply this through. 2 times m. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 4 times m. 4 times negative 3, negative 12. All right, and then we can combine those guys together and get 6m. Combine those together right there and get negative 4. And that's going to be all over our common denominator of m minus 3 squared times m plus 4. Okay, and I mean, usually we write it like that. We don't write m minus 3 times m minus 3. We just, in mathematics, we want to be cool or something, I don't know. But you can write it just like that there. And there's no point in factoring out like a 2 because it's not going to cancel out with anything. So that would be it.